Hello everyone, I'm Michael Ingledew and I'm all about making you successful with your technical data, your technical information, your integrated product support strategies. Welcome to this very short and sharp tutorial on a minor but important update to the S1000D specification that may just have slipped you by. So welcome to those that are listening to this as a podcast. Yes, I know we have been very quiet on the podcast front. It's just been very busy and difficult to pin guests down to do podcasts. But we are back, and also welcome to those watching the more interactive video via our YouTube channel. Just in case you missed it, recently there was a patch update to an older version of S1000D. The guys at S1000D announced a minor patch update to issue 4.1 of the specification. Yes, issue 4.1 with patch 4.1C or 4.1 Charlie, whatever you prefer. But what is in the patch? Well, I'm going to tell you. I know that many of my customers are using issue 4.1, and this minor update will be of interest to you, especially those that are using the S1000D CIR methodology. Now, if you don't know what that is, then check out some more of our tutorials on CIRs. The changes that have been made into issue 4.1 have been nothing major, but to those that are using the common information repositories can now use S1000D defined information codes for warnings of 0 alpha 4 and cautions of 0 alpha 5. These are specifically for warnings and cautions listed within the project CIRs. So I've checked, and these are the same values that are available in issue 5.0 of the specification. So forward compatibility is now of course possible and ensured for those that will migrate to the newer versions of the spec at some point in the future, no doubt. The areas where the spec has been updated to support these for some projects are much needed additions are the short definitions in chapter 8.4.1 and the full definitions in 8.4.2. And of course the S1000D default Brex module has been updated to include the patched update, so nothing earth-shattering really in terms of technical change to an older version of S1000D, but a small one and a welcome one for some projects. So make sure if you are on issue 4.1 for your project that you access the latest patched version of the specification. And if you would like to access the patched version of issue 4.1, head on over to the all new and shiny S1000D website at s1000d.org. So it's a very nice addition to the website now. So a short and sharp one this week, but an important update to those using S1000D issue 4.1 and the CIR capability in the spec, as I know many of my projects that I'm supporting are. It may just affect your project and may require some minor course corrections. You know who you are, to adopt the new definitions within 4.1. A reminder whilst I am here to those that are wishing to join the TDW Live online event this year, we have started releasing some of the presentations we are going to have online. Head on over to the website to learn more on how you can get involved. We've got some great presentations planned. We are going to do something a little bit unique, a little bit different, a little bit more than just putting people on Zoom and putting some presentations online. We're going to do something which I think is much more engaging. We've spoken to our sponsors and speakers and they all really like it. So do head on over, make sure you're on our mailing list, subscribe here to be notified when we actually release more stuff. But we've got some great presentations planned already. So let me know if you are going to be using the new information codes within issue 4.1 of the updated or patched version of the specification. Be good to get your points. I know some of you who are pretty happy about this minor update. So that's it for this week, guys. I'm Michael Ingledew. I'm all about making you successful with your technical documentation, your technical information, your integrated product support strategies. Until the next one. And yes, for anybody who's interested, I've lost 2 stone.